Upline Eddie. Okay, we had launched this. We had launched this in Shangri-La, and I know when you started BLC, you really have the heart to give it back to the distributors, and we thank you for that. Grace, thank you so much for having the patience. Every time that I am so busy with everything, and you were always there for me and for my group. Thank you so much. I also want to thank, of course, my leaders, the ones who believed in me since we start. I want to thank Frewin. Frewin! Sabi mo, 2 years na. Okay. I want to thank Jerry, Livingston, and Nancy. Okay, bawi tayo next time. Okay. Winnie, of course, Winnie Villarama. I also want to thank him.
Thank you, Atlay.
Thank you also for believing in me since we started doing Diamond Lifestyle. You know, I started building my wealth when I was at the age of 22. I was a physical therapy by profession. I started building it in the business model called network marketing. And Diamond Lifestyle is a network marketing business model. I believe that luck plus preparation is equal to success. Naniniwala ba kayo doon?
Yes.
I was so lucky that time, that was 15 years ago, because I met my upline, my sponsor, and the mentors who taught me in this kind of industry. Luck plus preparation. Preparation because that time I was dreaming of something big, bigger than me, bigger than myself. Hindi po ako pinanganak na mayaman. Mahirap lang po kami. Pero nangarap po ako na gusto kong tapusin yung paghihirap sa pamilya ko. Kasi sabi nila, pag pinanganak ka daw ng mahirap, hindi mo kasalanan yun. Pero pag namatay kang mahirap, kasalanan mo yun. Tama? So sabi ko, araw-araw ang problema namin pera. So 15 years ago, I decided to have a goal bigger than myself. Sabi ko, walang negosyante sa pamilya namin. Walang nagnegosyo, lahat kami empleyado. So sabi ko, gusto kong tapusin yung sumpa. Yung sumpa ng kahirapan. Dahil, ang yaman kasi may sumpa yan eh. Pag mayaman yung lolo mo, yung tatay mo, mayaman, eventually mayaman ka din. Tama? Pero kami po, yung lolo ng lolo ko, ng lolo ng lolo ko, mahirap. So yung lolo ko mahirap din, tatay ko mahirap, eventually, ako din, mahirap. But, when I saw the industry of network marketing 50 years ago, I said to myself, I want to have big dreams. And I want to achieve that big dreams. So, in 15 years in network marketing, never a single second na nagsisi po ako sa mga ginawa ko. Never ako naging absent sa network marketing. I've committed my life in this industry. And apart from the success na nakuha ko, apart from cars, houses, savings, you know, I've always believed that there is more value in getting the money that you will get in network marketing. Naniniwala ba kayo doon? There is more value in that because when you have the right foundation, I started with the right foundation. I started with the right company with the right foundation. And so, I spent there, my previous company, I spent there for 6 years. Then I went out. I went out to a company without the right foundation. But still, I made it to the top. But you know, even if we are making millions of pesos, but if we don't have the right foundation, parang kulang pa din. you still go back to the foundation that you were born into. And that is the foundation of building a multi-level marketing company, of building people and helping people to really get the dreams that they want. And so, I came back to an industry in multi-level marketing called Diamond Lifestyle, and I'm so thankful. Another value that I learned in my 15 years is the value of hard work. Naniniwala rin ba kayo doon? Yes. Okay. The value of hard work is very important, especially when you are starting in this kind of industry. May mga tao na maniniwala sa'yo, may excite sa business mo, pero after 1 month, after 2 months, after 3 months, wala na sila. Tama? You know, the value of hard work that I learned is really to commit yourself to yourself. Not commit yourself to the company or to the products, but commit yourself to yourself and to your family. There are some people, after 1 month, they quit. After 2 months, they quit. Sometimes, even if they're doing this business for about a year, they also quit. But you know, when you talk about hard work, I am so proud of your uplines na katabi mo ngayon. Pwede bang pasalamatan mo yung uplines na katabi mo ngayon? Sabi mo, thank you, upline!
Thank you, upline!
Pasalamatan mo yung tao na invite sa'yo. Sabi mo, thank you, sponsor!
Thank you, sponsor!
Iisip mo ako mamaya. You know why? Because I've seen them, I've seen these leaders na umakyat dito, and they are the most hardworking people in your network. And you must be proud of them because sila ang upline mo ngayon. So, pwede ba palapakan natin sila? Alam mo, share ko lang sa inyo, no? Nung nag-umpisa ako nun sa network marketing, hindi naman ako maganda dati. Pangit ako dati. Dati leg ako, ngayon nana na ako. But, you know, there was a time in my life in network marketing na wala rin akong pera na nag-umpisa. And wala akong breakfast, wala akong lunch. And I was waiting for my first timer to come. Pero hindi siya dumating. So, wala siyang products na nabili. So, wala siyang products na nabili, wala akong kita for that day. So, I was so hungry for that day. Nagutom ako and I had no money. You know what I did? I went to McDonald's. And then I brought extra rice. And magkano extra rice sa McDonald's? 12 pesos. Dati, mura pa dati. So, I bought an extra rice and humingi ako ng ketchup. So, yung ulam ko, ketchup, yung rice ko, yung extra rice. So, I was walking from McDonald's to my house. I walked because wala na akong money. I walked from Green Hills to Bonnie. But I guess all the hard work paid off. Tama ba?
Yes.
All the hard work paid off. So, right now, kung walang-wala ka, or kung meron ka naman, pero nahihirapan ka, just think that you are still more blessed than other people. Just think of it that way. Pag gusto mo nang mag-quit, just always think na you are still more blessed. If you are having problems right now in your network, still you have to think that you are far more blessed than any one of them. Okay ba yun?
Yes.
Okay. Last, I learned the value of leaving a legacy. Because I've built many business because of network marketing. Pero alam nyo, sa ibang negosyo ko, hindi ko magawa yung ginagawa katulad in network marketing, just like in Diamond Lifestyle. So I always go back to leaving a legacy behind wherein you will help. You will help your loved ones, you will share it to your loved ones, and you will help build enough people para makuha nila yung mga pangarap nila sa buhay. And there's no such thing as that. There's no such any business na nakita ko other than in network marketing. And we are so privileged because I've always believed with the right foundation, with the hard work, and to leave a legacy, I guess the best company is Diamond Lifestyle. Because we have Eddie on our side, we have the best products, and alam nyo, sasabihin ko lang, no, even if your uplines will quit, if you have the right foundation, you will never quit.
Yes!
Okay? So, sabihin ko sa upline ko, huwag ka mo nang mag-quit. So, na-excite pa kayo?
Yes!
Siyempre, were you inspired?
Yes!
You know, what you see right now is just the tip of the iceberg of Diamond Lifestyle. Hindi pa ito ang Diamond Lifestyle. We are only starting.
Yes!
This is just the tip, the very tip. And I always believe na we are not born to be followers. We are born to be leaders. Because if you are born to be a follower, wala ka dito ngayon. Kasi follower ka eh. Tama? Malamang maiindos ka sa DLC mga 3 years from now, once you have the results that we want. But you are not here because you are not a follower. You are here because we are the leaders. And leaders always have the edge. And leaders are always tested during bad times. Kaya nga sila leader eh. Lead. Hindi sila nababalik pag may resulta na. Nababalik sila habang wala pang resulta. Dahil alam nila sila ang magiging resulta. If we will be the biggest company, we deserve to be the biggest. Do you agree?
Yes!
If we will be the biggest company, do you believe that we deserve to be the biggest?
Yes!
Guys, we have to really be the biggest because I believe DLC this year will be the transformation year. This will be the transformation year of DLC. I've always believed in that. I believed in Eddie. So, thank you very much, Eddie, for bringing DLC to the Philippines. Thank you.